Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss alphabet test. This is the first video on the series in which we will be discussing some problems based on alphabetical order of words. So this type of questions are very important for your SSC exams. I'm especially stressing on the word SSC because repeatedly these type of questions have been asked in the SSC exams. So let us have a look at the first question. Arrange the following words as per the order in the English dictionary. So as you can see, 5 words are given to you here and you are supposed to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. So for this you need to be thorough with the English alphabet, that is your ABCD in sequence. First of all, we'll be observing the first letter. We find that the first letter is the same in all the 5 words. So we check with the second letter. The second letter is also the same. So now we check with the third letter. So the third letter here is G. Here we have R. Again we have G. Again we have R. And then we have C. So basically we have 3 letters here, that is G, R and C. So if according to the alphabet, C is the first one to come. So obviously this will be the word at the first position according to the English dictionary. Now next comes G. So for G, since there are 2 words having a common G, we look for the fourth letter. So we find an L here and we find an E here. So obviously E comes before L. So this will be the second word and this will be the third word. Now we'll be checking for R. So since there are 2 words having R at the third position, so we'll be checking with the fourth word letter here, that is T here and L here. Obviously L comes before T, so this will be the word at the fourth place and this will be the word at the fifth place. So what is the correct sequence here? Word number 5 followed by word number 3, then comes word number 1, then comes word number 4 and then comes word number 2. So we find that our answer corresponds to option D over here, that is 5, 3, 1, 4, 2, and this is the correct answer for this particular question. Again, in the second question, I have picked up a similar kind of question so that we become actually very clear with our concept. There are again 5 words given and you have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. So as we did earlier, we find that the first 3 letters are the same in all the 5 words. That is PRO, pro. So that means we'll be looking for the fourth letter. That we have a T here, we have a B here, we have a V here, and we have a P here and we have a J here. Now this is simple because all the 5 letters are different, so we can very easily arrange the words based on these 5 letters. So if we look at this, B comes first out of these 5 letters, so this will be the first word. Then comes J, so the second word will be this. Although this should be sufficient to give us the answer here, but still we'll check for the remaining words as well. Then the third word is P. Then we have T. And finally we have V. So this is going to be the sequence here. That means we'll be starting with word number 2. Then comes word number 5. Then comes word number 4. Then at the fourth position we have word number 1 and at the fifth position we have word number 3. So 2, 5, 4, 1, 3. So option C is going to be the correct answer here. In the third question, 5 words are given and you have to identify which of these will come fourth if all of them are arranged alphabetically as in a dictionary. So basically here we have to identify which of these words will be placed at the fourth position. So again we'll first arrange them in the alphabetical order. When I observe these words carefully, I find that CARB, again CARB, CARB, CARB and CARB is common in all the 5 words. That means we'll be looking for the next word, that is the fifth word here. And I find that again there's an O here, there's an O here, there's an O here and there's an O here. So obviously this word which contains U will be at the fifth position. This will be the last one because obviously U comes after O. Now, since these words, they are all having O in common, we'll be looking for the next alphabet, that is N here. Then we have H here. Again, we have N here and we have an L here. So, if we observe these words carefully, H comes first. So, this will be the first word. Then H is followed by L. So, this will be the second word. Now, again, two words are there which have a common fifth letter as well. So again, we'll be looking for the next letter, that is I in case of carbonize, that is option D, and A in case of carbonate. So A comes before I, so this will be the third one. This will be the third one, and this will be the fourth one. So in the question, we have been asked to find out the fourth word. So our answer will be option D, that is carbonase, because that is being placed at the fourth position if we arrange all these five words in the alphabetical order. Let us now have a look at the last question for this particular video. In the following questions, five words are given. Which of these will come at the second place if all of these are arranged alphabetically as in a dictionary? So here we have to just look for the second position word. Again, we'll be looking for the alphabetical order. I find the first two letters, that is B and A, are common in all the five words. So I'll skip these and I'll look for the third word or the third letter, which is T here, N here, C here, again N, and then I have an R. So obviously C comes first, so this will be the first word, backing. Then after this, I find there are two N's. So one of the N is succeeded by K and one of the N is succeeded by I. And I know that I comes before K. So what will be the second word? The second word will be option D, that is vanishing. So this will be our answer here, option D. So we don't have to look for all the words if we get our answer at an early stage. So that saves time. So that is how we go about such questions. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your comments in the comment section. Also subscribe to our channel if not done yet.